Congress Legislative Party CLP leader Meghachandra has called on the central government to clarify its stance on the Manipur border issue. He urged the centre to address reports of proposed land swap between India and Myanmar along undemarcated border sections. Demanding complete transparency, Meghachandra stressed that the state's territorial integrity is at stake, reacting to reports that the Ministry of External Affairs (MEA) is considering land exchange mechanism to resolve long-pending boundary disputes. Meghachandra stated that MEA must issue an immediate official rebuttal if these reports are incorrect. However, if discussions are genuinely underway, he insisted that the centre must clearly state its objectives. He also demanded to know exactly which border villages will be affected to help displace growing public anxiety across Manipur. The CLP leader firmly opposed secretive negotiations on international boundaries. He questioned whether the central government has consulted local stakeholders before taking action, which include the Manipur state government, elected representatives, traditional institutions, and local border communities. Asserting that the major decisions altering international borders cannot be finalized behind closed doors, Meghachandra emphasized that no portion of Manipur's territory should be surrendered. Any decision must undergo full constitutional process, parliamentary scrutiny, and consultation with the public. He warned that against covert diplomatic agreements that compromise national security or the state's historical identity. Noting that Manipur has suffered repeatedly over the decades, he stated that its people now demand absolute transparency rather than clandestine diplomacy.